Guys, Petronella's love for money won 2018. Thembsie Matu has been in the entertainment game for a long time and has won over Mzansi is many different characters and stories. However, as Petronella, she's literally claimed the G.O.A.T status. It's not only how she delivers her lines or just her acting skills, it's her expressions and the way she says her words. Petronella could be an extra in a scene and still remain the most memorable character ever. Here's just a couple of the many times she gave us life. Petronella is literally life goals. Twitter learned some serious lessons from the Queen's Petronella, who showed some serious guts when she asked her boss for a raise and include her in her will. The feisty helper told her boss T.G.O.M., played by Xolani, that she can't afford to watch her go bankrupt as that would affect her negatively. Petronella told her boss straight to her face that she needs to remain rich so that she could include her in her will just like Madaba did. #life goals. That time when Petronella showed us how to get 2 bonuses in December. Petronella explained that it is impossible for her Christmas bonus to be expected to cover her until the new year. She said the 2 days were different and therefore required a separate bonus. T.G.O.M. complained because Petronella already demanded 3 salary raises and asked that she be included in her boss will in case she dies. That time when Petronella proved that she's a plug for a price. We all have that auntie that can sort you out with anything you need. A new car for cheap? She knows a place. Want to find lost love or scaftins? She knows a guy. For Mzansi, that person is Petronella. The domestic worker, and part-time life coach, dishes out advice like disses on a Pusha T diss track and was quick to tell one of the show's characters how she can help her get pregnant.